Jai Hind everyone. Today I will be speaking about nuclear energy, which is one of the most powerful and controversial source of energy known to mankind. What is nuclear energy? In simple words, nuclear energy is the energy produced during nuclear reaction, which mainly consists of fissions and sometimes fusions. Now, nuclear energy is produced in two ways. First, in nuclear fission, in which one heavy nucleus of an atom like uranium is broken down into two or more lighter nuclei like americium or thorium. This splitting of nucleus generates energy which is known as nuclear fission energy. Now, the second way is the nuclear fusion, which is known as in which two or more lighter nuclei fuse to form a single heavy nucleus. This fusion happens in the sun, in which two hydrogen atoms fuse to form a helium atom. This fusion also releases a tremendous amount of energy, which is known as nuclear fusion energy. Now, this energy is used in power plants, like the nuclear power plant. These power plants work on the nuclear power to generate electricity. Nuclear power plant works in four main steps. First is the fission reaction, in which uranium or plutonium which fuel is used to cause fission and release energy. Second is heat generation, which this fission causes heat to generate. Third is steam production. This heat is used to turn water into steam. And fourth is electric generation, in which the steam is channeled to turbines, which in turn spin to generate electricity. Nuclear energy has many advantages and disadvantages. First is the high production of energy with less amount of fuel use. For example, it has been calculated that 1 gram of uranium is enough to power a car for a whole year. There are also multiple uses, like it's much more sustainable and safer. It is also better in comparison to the fossil fuels, which is currently a major topic talked about the sustainability. The disadvantages are the nuclear radiation risk about leaking, which can cause a hazardous condition to nature. It is also about the nuclear waste which are being produced, like thorium and americium. And then there are also nuclear accidents that happened, like the Chernobyl in Soviet Union, 3 Mile Island, USA, and the Fukushima 2011 in Japan. Nuclear energy has been in multiple uses. Like in India, we have currently 7 major nuclear power plants and 23 operational reactors. Some of them are Tarapur, Kundalkam, Kaiga, and Kakrapar. India has currently also been thinking to increase its nuclear power for its net zero plan by 2070. In conclusion, I would like to say that nuclear energy is not just, it's a double-edged sword. It can light up cities or even wipe them from existence. It is upon us how we use them, for betterment or for deterioration. So let's promise and take pledge that we take care and use this energy for the betterment of society.